Hello, this is Hun J. Cho, Chief Medical Officer of the Multiple Myeloma Research Foundation. CARVYKTI, also known as cilta-cel, was approved on February 28, 2022. This marks the 16th new drug approved for multiple myeloma in the last 20 years and the second CAR T-cell therapy approved for use in myeloma. CARVYKTI is manufactured from a type of white blood cell called T cells that are removed from the patient's own bloodstream. The T cells are sent to a lab and modified to recognize a target on myeloma cells called BCMA. This process can take 4 to 5 weeks. Patients may receive additional therapy during the manufacturing period to control their disease. The modified T cells are sent back to the clinic and infused into the patient, where they can now recognize and kill myeloma cells. CARVYKTI is approved for use in patients with relapsed or refractory multiple myeloma who have received at least 4 prior lines of therapy, including an anti-CD38 antibody such as Darzalex or Sarclisa, a proteasome inhibitor such as Velcade or Kyprolis, and an immunomodulatory drug such as Revlimid or Pomalyst. Approval of CARVYKTI was based on the results of the CARTITUDE-1 clinical trial, where 97 patients were treated with a single CAR T-cell infusion. In that trial, the overall response rate was 98%, and the median duration of response was 22 months. Side effects of CARVYKTI from that trial included cytokine release syndrome in 97% of patients and neurotoxicity in 24% of patients. Because of these serious toxicity issues, CARVYKTI must be dispensed through a Risk Evaluation and Mitigation Strategy, or REMS program, and all clinical sites that treat patients with CARVYKTI need to be trained on its use and must adhere to strict safety protocols. Patients who receive CARVYKTI will be monitored in the hospital for 10 days following the infusion to manage these side effects and should remain near their treating clinic site for at least 4 weeks. In addition, they should not drive for at least 8 weeks after the treatment. We encourage you to speak with your myeloma treatment team about this new treatment. Availability of CARVYKTI is likely to be limited in the first few months following its approval while clinical sites undergo REMS training and certification. You can learn more about this therapy, its availability, and the MyCARVYKTI patient support program by going to www.carvykti.com. Our patient navigators are available to answer your questions. You may contact them at 888-841-6673 or by emailing patientnavigator@vmmrf.org. Thank you and have a good day.